What's up, y'all? It's February 22nd, 2022. It's about 70 degrees. Got a little bit of a wind coming from the south, southwest. Water's starting to warm up. It's back up into the low 60s. Highest I saw today was about 62. But anyways, we're gonna hit the Neuse River Basin again. I'm gonna look for some trout, drum, and maybe even throwing a striper or two. I'm throwing 3 lures and that's it. Throwing my green Yo-Zuri, as like last time. I'm throwing my ripstop again, like last time. And then this time, I'm gonna add my personal favorite MR17, black on top, orange belly. Works really, really well. But anyways, let's hit the water and let's see what we can find. Stay tuned, thanks. There we go, a good hit. Definitely a better fish, wherever this is. Could be another striper for all I know. That looks like a striper. Nope, it's a drum. There we go, he's in the bucket. All right. He's a hair under 17. That's a good one. That is a good one. Where's he at? It's a striper, look at that. Awesome. And he come off. Look at that. About a 14, 15 inch striper. That's why he felt so good. There we go. That's a good strike. A lot of head shake. Don't feel too big. It's a little better. He's right at 15. He's a keeper, but we're gonna put him back. That's a lot better. That is a good fish. Stay down, buddy. Oh shit, he's barely hooked. Oh. There we go. That jaw. 20 inches on the money. Good deal. fish on, finally. There's the net. He's on there. He is staying down. What is that? Oh, is that a striper? Dang, sure is. I'll be dang, look at that. First cast. That is my first striper ever. Look at that. It is going to be looks like about 18 inches on that. All right, let's get you back, buddy. Oh, there's one. Got him. Oh, that feels a lot better. That feels a lot better. Oh, small drum. Nice. What is he? 17. Good deal.